Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have a GLA250 and we're going to go ahead how you replace the blinker light bulb. So the blinker is right here. It's this little tab. I'm just going to turn that to counterclockwise and then you're going to pull this out. This has electrical connectors here. That's why there's no wires in the back, and when these connectors connect, that's how the light is going to light up. So to replace this, then you just pull this apart, right? Pull this apart, get your new one. This is an amber light bulb, and you're going to want an amber light bulb when you put it back in. They make these in amber and they make these in clear. This has a clear lens on the outside, so you're going to want to make sure that you put an amber in so that people know what you're indicating, the blinker to indicate. This is a 3457 natural amber light bulb. Okay, and so then you get a new one, and then you just press it in and make a little snap noise. Now just put it back in here, line it up, and turn it clockwise to hear a lock and a snap into place. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC.